Alright, what's going on, guys? Got my LANTE pack in the mail, and we're going to do a special unboxing video. It's raining out here, so I had to set this umbrella up so I can do it outside with the better lighting. But let's dig in, let's check it out. I'm wearing my special desert hiking hat, so first thing I'm seeing, I got a little scared for a second here, is I thought it was going to be a white pack, but we're seeing some black. I'm assuming this is the bottom of the pack here. So let's see. And this is the 19-inch desert pack made by LANTE. Getting a first look of it here. And I'm already really digging this color, the Ultra Weave fabric with the Dyneema mesh. So the people that had the Dyneema the mesh rip, this probably solves all the problems. The Dyneema's a lot, better materials. So not only is it going to be sturdier on the front, but the bottom pocket is going to have that, Dyneema mesh as well. And we have that special Dyneema mesh on your front pockets too. And one thing I'm noticing is that the front pockets are way deeper and wider than they were before. So there's definitely a lot more room to put stuff. Let's check it out. And then they have, I didn't realize, I thought it was going to be a white pack. There's a lot of color here. They got the, the blue and this, greenish kind of color, a lot of different color inside. And if you look on the inside, the stitching on the inside has the this orange line. Really cool cool colors on this pack. So I actually have a couple smart water bottles that I brought with me. Let me get them real quick. So these smart water bottles, I'm going to see, they said you can put 2 bottles in each pocket. So I have a 1.5 liter in here. And then another nice feature is you can tighten the pocket too. So if you're having problems where stuff is falling out, you can tighten it up here. But let's see if we can get a 1.5 and then a 1 liter into this pocket. So yeah, we can even go 1.5 and then a 1 liter into the pocket of the LANTE, and you definitely could not do that before. So it's a big step up as far as if you're buying this pack for the CDT or the PCT when you have those longer water carries. I think it's going to come in, really well, having these large pockets here. And then if you need to, you can even put a water bladder in here if you wanted to, or strap it to the top of your pack. Yeah, let's close it up and see how the pack looks. We got a nice little buckle system here. The same kind of roll top here. And we have the strap. There you have it. I think it's just you got the bottom pocket. The bottom pocket feels a lot sturdier. You still have that, probably get a day's worth of food in here easily, so you don't have to stop. That's the beauty of these LANTEs. I used the V2 on my AT thru hike in 2019, and I use LANTE to train and just to do regular hikes around here. I'll probably do a comparison video between this one and the V2 or the regular LANTE, because I have a few of them. But another new feature that they did here is they added a stake pocket inside. I'll try to get a little closer so you can see. So there's a pocket in here where you can put your tent stakes in there, and it's easy access. But yeah, white LANTE pack, really cool. You got the little small hole on this side and then the larger hole on this side. Here you can put your, you know, trash or whatever, and this is where you would get your snacks out of it. It also comes with a hip belt, which I don't really use, but if you need to use it, it's there. And if you don't need to use it, you just take it and you tuck it back into your water pocket here and get it out of the way. And I think it's going to be the same thing on this side too. You take it and you tuck it into this little hole. Also, you're not going to have water collecting into these into your side pockets here, because they have a hole in here, so the water will come right out. You got some padding here on the straps, which is really nice, and then you have these little loops on both sides where you can hang your camera off of it or add another additional pocket if you needed to. Comes with this little hook, so if you got your hiking poles in here or something taller, you can definitely put your hiking poles in here and then adjust it so your hiking poles are nice and secure when you're not using them. But yeah, just beautifully made. The material feels perfect. So the V2 had this kind of like nice sturdy feel to it. It's at 20.6 ounces. Don't forget those 0.6. 20.6 on the 19-inch, and it's a little bit less on the smaller pack. I think it's the 16-inch. So yeah, they're saying this is the materials they're using are the most durable yet. So we'll see. So far, it was $270, which I thought was a little pricey. But now that I'm seeing the quality of the pack, it's totally worth it. Totally worth it, and just so well made. Yeah, really happy with this pack, guys. Just the first impressions. LANTE, another home run, knocked it out. Really, really great pack. I think this is my favorite one yet. I've had 4 different ones, and I think this one here is just, yeah, they really did a good job with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button if you want to. And then if you can thumbs up this video, that helps me a lot. So I'd really appreciate that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.